you've ever wanted to color your natural hair, but you're afraid it's going to damage your curls, and on top of that, you really don't want the commitment, you just want to play around and have some fun, I'm going to show you how you can color your hair quickly, but more important, with zero damage at all. So I'm going to be using the As I Am curl color in copper. Now, up until today, I've never even really read the instructions, but I will put them here for you guys so you guys can take a look at them. But this is the way I apply it. Now, I always only apply it to hair that is old, like an old wash and go. Because I don't really feel like, washing my hair right now. So instead of refreshing, I just will apply the curl color. It also says to use gloves, which I'm not using. I also have on a cape because it can get very, very messy. So I just go in and start in random sections, just start applying the curl color all over the head. So now I'm just going in and really applying it to the whole head, making sure that it's really even and all the strands are coated. I'm also doing this without a mirror, so wish me luck. Now, I've heard people say that this stuff transfers. I've never had issues with it transferring, onto my clothes. You have to make sure that it is completely dry after you're done styling, obviously. And this is my first time really using it since my hair is like so gray in the top there. So I'm interested to see how that's going to look. And I'll show you guys the back. So I'm not super neat with it. Like I said, I'm just super, random. So you really want to just get in there and make sure you're getting the roots really good and coating the hair really, really well. So I like to smooth the product through. And then at the end, I'll show you how I go in, and obviously because it's a frizzy mess right now, but we're going to go in and we're going to fix that. So you just want to do this all over the entire head. You guys basically get the gist, right? So I'm going to finish the entire head and then I'll come back and show you how we get rid of all the frizz. So I'm done applying the color and I feel like it looks really good. And more importantly, I feel like it looks natural, which is what I like. Like it looks like this could be, just a color that I've actually dyed my hair. And also just like with regular hair dye, be careful applying it on your hairline because it will, get on your face. But obviously you can just wipe it with a paper towel. So now that it's done, it's obviously a hot frizzy mess. So I'm going to show you how to fix it just with some Eco Styler gel. I use the same routine that I do when I do my refreshing, my wash and go. If you have not seen it, I will put that video here so you can go watch it. So I basically start just taking a little bit of gel and then just going in and smoothing and recoiling so that it's not frizzy. And you're just going to do that all over the entire head. And because the sides are shorter, I can actually just rake a little bit. I'm not going to wet it, which is what I normally do with, my refresh, when I refresh my wash and go, because it's going to run, which we don't want. So we're just going to fluff the curls up just by raking and smoothing. So just do that throughout the whole entire head. So once it's done, I'm going to go and diffuse my hair. And because my hair wasn't soaking wet to begin with, it's actually not going to take as long. So it should probably take only about, 5 minutes or so. So I will finish the rest of my head and then I will come back and show you once it's diffused and all done. So my hair is done. It's completely dry. Now, normally I do add a little bit to my brows, but I actually like the bit of a contrast here. So I will show you guys a close up. And then I will show you the back also. So like I said earlier in the video, I've never had any issues with transfer or like getting on my clothes or anything, but I do sleep with a satin scarf and a satin bonnet just to protect my pillowcase. But as far as it like, rubbing off on your hands and stuff like that, there's no transfer there whatsoever. It also washes off with just one wash. I will link the color down below in the description. This is the copper, but they have all different shades, reds, blues, greens, you name it, they have it. So if you guys like this video, which I hope you did, make sure to hit that like button and also comment down below and let me know if you tried curl color. And of course, do not forget to turn on your notifications so you do not miss any videos. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.